Weaving of hats. Take out the red line. Ring up 6 stitches. Mark buckle. Tension, pull connection, upright pin. The second circle is a short needle and an additional needle. Hook a short needle in the standing pin. 1 plus needle. Another short needle. A short needle plus needle. There are 2 short needles in 1 stitch. 3 sets of hooks. Pull the connection at the first pin. Flip, stand up needle. The third circle is 9 short needles without adding or reducing the hook. First pin pull connection, upright pin, 4th lap. Scratch head to tail. Rub each hook with 1 needle at the beginning and end. The first hook is a short needle. Remember the marking buckle? Add a needle for the second needle hook. 2 short needles and 1 plus needle. 2 short needles. 1 plus needle. The last stitch is a short stitch that echoes the first stitch. Connected end to end for extraction. The 5th circle is 12 short needles without adding or reducing the hook. Connect the upright pin head to tail. The 6th circle is 3 short needles and 1 plus needle. 2 short needles and 1 plus needle in the next needle. A total of 3 sets of hooks. 15 short needles without adding or reducing the hook for the 7th circle. End to end pull. 8th lap. End to end. Hook 2 short needles first. 1 plus needle. Follow the previous rules. For short needles, 1 plus needle. 2 short needles are hooked inside 1 needle. A short needle plus needle. Add needle. The last 2 stitches are 2 short stitches. Connected end to end for extraction. 18 short needles without adding or reducing the hook for the 9th circle. Connected end to end for extraction. Standing needle. The 10th circle is 5 short needles and 1 plus needle. Do 3 sets. End to end. The 11th lap is 21 short needles without adding or reducing the hook. After the 11th lap is hooked. Turn 12. 6 short needles and 1 short needle plus needle. When the hook is even, it is the same as the previous needle. Staggered end to end. Hook 3 short needles first. 1 plus needle. 2 short needles in 1 needle. Restore its original 6 short needles plus needles. The last 3 stitches are echoes of the previous 3 stitches. Finally, 3 short needles. End to end. The 13th lap is 24 short needles without adding or reducing the hook. Everyone hooks by themselves. The 14th lap is 7 short needles and 1 plus needle. There are 3 sets of hooks in total. End to end. The 15th lap is 27 short needles without adding or reducing the hook. Everyone hooks by themselves. What about lap 16? Staggered end to end, hook for short needles. 1 with needle, 1 with hook end to short needles. Next, 8 short needles and 1 plus needle. The last 4 stitches and the front echo. 4 short needles are connected end to end for lead and pull. Stand up for a needle. The 17th lap is an unreduced hook with 30 stitches. Connect end to end. Do pull. Lap 18 is 9 short needles. A short needle plus needles makes 3 sets. The 19th lap is 33 short needles without adding or reducing the hook. 1 for 1 needle. 33 short needles without adding or reducing the hook. The last stitch hooks the thread first. Do an unfinished short needle. Take out the white line. Start changing lines. Hook us with a white line for what's left of the unfinished part. Make a pull connection with the first needle first. Hide the red thread in the middle with a few stitches. Disconnect again. The pattern of laps 20. In the innermost inner half needle hook. Same body as Santa Claus before. The innermost inner needle of the hook. The pattern of this circle is an unabated hook. The needle is a little looser when hooking. No need to hook it very tightly. No additions or reductions. A total of 33 hooks. Finally, make a pull connection with the first needle. Standing needle. The rule of the next lap is the outer half needle of the hook. The outer half needle refers to the half needle that is close to you. A total of 33 short needles are hooked. This circle needs to be hooked tighter. Everyone hooks by themselves. The last crochet is done. Pull connection, disconnect. Hide the thread on the needle and thread. Next, do the little white ball part of the Christmas hat. Take out the white thread. Ring up 6 stitches. Tighten the coil. End to end. Promotion. Notice, there's no need for a standing pin. Hook the second turn directly. The rule of the second circle is 6 short needles plus needles. 2 short needles are hooked inside each stitch. A total of 6 hooks. End-to-end pull. Turn the front over. No standing pins. The last lap is all needle reduction. While doing the needle reduction, stuffing some cotton. When plugging, you can use a tool. Continue to do needle reduction. Disconnect. Take out the suture needle. Sew up the small ball. Sewing up the empty space. Finally, attach the hat with a glue stick. You can also sew the ball to the hat with a suture needle. Disconnect.